To factor perfect square trinomials, it has to be a trinomial. It has to have 3 parts. And the first and last number have to be perfect squares. So you ask yourself, what times what equals 25? It's got to be the same number. So the square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 equals 25. And you have your u that's squared. And then the last term is square root of 36 is 6. So whenever you have a perfect square trinomial, you make a set of parentheses with a square. You take the square root of the first number. Square root of 25 is 5. And you also have a u there. You bring down the negative sign. So the first sign comes down. And then the square root of the last number. The square root of 36 is 6. Now, if you're wondering where the 60 went, it takes care of itself, because 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 times 2 is 60. So it's still there, it's just hidden. Okay, so parentheses squared. The square root of 16 is 4. I have a u stuck to that. Minus sign. Square root of 9 is 3, and then check it. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. You should always get that middle term when you're multiplying those last numbers together. Parentheses squared. Square root of 64 is 8, and then I have a y. Bring down the minus sign. Square root of 1 is 1. 8 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 16. 16y is in the middle.